Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete multiple slides in Google Slides. So let's say I want to delete these 4 slides. So if they are in order, I can simply click on the first one, then go to the fourth, press and hold Shift and click on it. As you can see, now all of them are selected with this blue line, and I can simply delete them just by pressing backspace. Let's say I want to delete this first one and this third one. Because when I will use Shift as previously, as you can see, it selected also the second one. So in order to delete only the first and the third, I have to click on the first and then press and hold Command or Alt if you are on Windows and click on the third. Right now it skipped this one, just selected this and this, then press backspace. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.